Weeks after the unexpected loss of Ray Liotta, two of the people near and dear to the famed actor, his daughter, Karsen Liotta, and his fiancée, Jacy Nittolo, honored him while still mourning his death at the premiere of his new television series, Blackbird. Both Karsen, 23, and Jacy, 47, wore black at the June 29 event at the Regency Bruin Theatre, with Liotta's daughter wearing a mini-dress with silver accents. Jacy donned a full-length dress for the event. As they walked down the carpet before the showing, Jacy and Karsen embraced each other, hugging warmly as photographers' cameras flashed. Blackbird marks the final work of Ray Liotta, who passed away on May 26 in his sleep while in the Dominican Republic. As of the end of June, a cause of death has not been revealed. 2 weeks after his death, Karsen mourned her father with a throwback photo of when she was little enough to be held in his arms. "Those who knew him, loved him. You are the best dad anyone could ask for. I love you. Thank you for everything," she wrote. Similarly, Jacy paid tribute to Ray by calling him the most beautiful person inside and out. Liotta's new Apple TV Plus show is a 6-episode original limited series adapted from the true crime memoir In With the Devil, a fallen hero, a serial killer, and a dangerous bargain for redemption by James Keane and Hillel Levin, for Deadline. Inspired by actual events, when high school football hero, decorated policeman's son, and convicted drug dealer Jimmy Keane, Taron Egerton, is sentenced to 10 years in a minimum security prison, he is given the choice of a lifetime, enter a maximum security prison for the criminally insane and befriend suspected serial killer Larry Hall, Paul Walter Hauser, or stay where he is and serve his full sentence with no possibility of parole. Liotta portrays Big Jim Keane, a popular former ranking officer in the Kankakee Police and Fire Departments who had influential friends in the highest reaches of state and local government, for Deadline. Blackbird's executive producer Dennis Lehane, the true crime author behind Live by Night and Mystic River, wrote a living tribute to Ray. It was, quite literally, the culmination of a lifelong dream to work with Ray Liotta. From the moment I saw him blow out the screen, his co-stars, and the back of the theater in Something Wild, I found him the most electric American actor of his generation, Lehane wrote, for Deadline.